Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to get rid of the action blocked on your Instagram account. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So you might have got this notification because you're doing a lot of different things on the app, whether that be liking, following, or even commenting. Instagram has an algorithm to pick up things that could be spam, and it thinks that your account may be automated in some way. So they went ahead and gave you this notification. So for the first method, you want to go ahead and head over to Instagram. I'm already there. Then you go to your profile, click on the three lines in the top right, and go to settings. From here, you want to click on help, and then click report a problem. Click report a problem. From here, you want to type in something like, "Hi Instagram, my account has been action blocked, and I'm not sure why. Could you check it out, please? I don't believe that I have broken any community guidelines." And then you could say thank you at the end. Just they could respond back to you. Once you're done with all that, click next and then send it to them. It should take within a day or two to get a response back from Instagram, and hopefully they'll be able to help. And then another thing you could do is just hop out of here, go to your settings like you did before, scroll down, maybe log out, and then log back in, or clear it. So clear it, then log back into your Instagram. So there's two ways you can do it. So I hope one of these methods does help you. If they did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.